In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an EM dash in Canva. Whenever you're designing in Canva, having the ability to use special characters like the EM dash can really enhance the professional appearance of your design. Whether you're crafting a snazzy presentation or a polished document, this step will come in handy. So let's dive right into it. To begin, go ahead and log into your Canva account if you haven't already. Once you're at your dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new design or open a recent one. For today's purposes, we're going to jump into a design that we've worked on previously. This is a great way to familiarize yourself with editing and fine-tuning designs, as you also learn how to add special touches, like the M dash. Now that you've opened your design, the next step is to locate the text area in your template. Simply click on the text box where you envisage adding or modifying your text. This brings us to the heart of today's tutorial, adding that EM dash. While you're clicking in the text area of your design, have your fingers ready on your keyboard. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to remember this handy shortcut. To create an EM dash, all you need to do is press the Windows key and the period or dot key simultaneously. This brings up the emoji panel, but it also allows you to access a variety of punctuation marks, including our star player today, the EM dash. Once the panel appears, browse through and find the desired EM dash symbol. Simply click it to insert it into your text wherever your cursor is located. It's as easy as that. The EM dash will appear, adding a professional and polished look to your text. As you get used to this process, feel free to experiment with different fonts and styles. The EM dash is a versatile tool, perfect for breaking up comments or offering additional information without creating a visual stop like a sentence period might do. Remember, this little trick can be used in any text block on Canva where you want to enhance clarity or add emphasis. And there you have it. Now you know how to effortlessly create an EM dash in Canva. With this newfound knowledge, you can elevate the quality and professionalism of your designs. Keep practicing, and soon creating these special characters will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!